Okay, guys, I'm going to actually read these word problems to you, and you're going to work them. You're also going to fill in the strip diagrams on the side. So let's look at number one. I'm going to actually do number one with you. During the weekend, Antonio and Levi kept track of the number of hours they spent playing video games. Antonio played video games for 7 3/10 hours. Levi played video games for 4 85/100 hours. How much longer did Antonio play video games than Levi? How much longer? Okay, so we have a total because it wants to know how much longer Antonio played than Levi. And Antonio played a total of 7 3/10. So we're going to subtract. All right, so we're going to find some space on here. I'm just going to take it under here. Miss Anderson's going to. All right, so we're going to take 7 3/10 and subtract 4 85/100. You can get a piece of paper to work this out on, or you can work it out on here. I highly suggest getting a piece of paper. So line them up, drop it down, fill it in. I can't do 0 minus 5, so I have to borrow from the 3. The 3 becomes a 2. The 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. I can't do 2 minus 8, so I have to borrow from the 7. 7 becomes a 6. The 12 becomes a, the 2 becomes a 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. So, Antonio played 2 45/100 minutes longer. And if you look at the strip diagram, it actually shows you that you have a total of 7 3/10, and you're going to subtract 4 85/100, and that leaves you with 2 45/100. So make sure you fill in the strip diagram and make sure you circle your answer. Miss Anderson will be checking these. All right, let's go look at number 2. I'm going to do number 2 with you. Emily had $72.85 in her piggy bank. She purchased a video game that cost $52.64. How much money does Emily have left? How much left? Okay, left is a subtraction word. And if you look at the strip diagram over here, it gives you a total, okay? And we know that she had $72.85 in her piggy bank. The video game cost $52.64. So you see where I'm putting that in the strip diagram? And then where the question mark goes, that's where we want to know how much she has left. So let's work it out. So we're going to take $72.85 and we're going to subtract $52.64. Line them up, drop it down, fill it in. 5 minus 4 is 1. 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 7 minus 5 is 2. So she had a total of $20.21. So that's C. And then I'm going to go ahead and put that over here. $20.21. Okay, remember you can start and stop this video as much as you need to. We're going to go ahead and go on to number 2. And I'm going to read number 2 and number 3 to you, and you're going to continue working out these problems. All right, the second page, number 3. Ian went on a road trip. On Tuesday, he drove 72.6 miles. On Wednesday, he drove 48.75 miles. How many miles did Ian drive on Tuesday and Wednesday combined? Okay, it looks like you're going to be adding on this one. Raul measured the amount of rain Dallas, Texas received in 2 days. On Monday, it rained 3.89 inches. On Tuesday, it rained 4.26 inches. What is the total inches of rain Dallas, Texas received during these 2 days? Number 5. Daniel walked 2.89 miles on the treadmill. He walked 3.45 miles around a path in the park. How many total miles did Daniel walk? Number 6. Kevin bought a movie ticket for $12.89. He paid with a $20 bill. How much change did Kevin receive? Number 7. Violet scored 34.5 points in video game. Christina scored 26.89 more points than Violet. How many points did Christina score? Number 8. Stephanie purchased items at an ice cream shop. She purchased an ice cream sundae for $4.89 and float for $2.50. How much did Stephanie pay for the sundae and float? Number 9. Eric purchased vegetables to make soup. He purchased 0.79 pounds of carrots, 1.82 pounds of broccoli, and 3.64 pounds of asparagus. How many pounds of vegetables did Eric buy? Number 10. Kelly had a roll with 9.45 feet of ribbon. She used 5.39 feet of ribbon to make bows. How many feet of ribbon does Kelly have remaining? Number 11. Samantha and Frida went out for a bike ride. Samantha rode her bike for 35.69 miles. Frida rode her bike for 24.72 miles. What is the difference between the number of miles the girls rode their bike? Number 12. In the month of August, Israel worked 95.6 hours. In the month of September, he worked 72.52. How many more hours did Israel work in August than September? Number 13. Lisa had a bag with 5.75 pounds of flour. She used 3.02 pounds of flour to make pastries. How many pounds of flour does Lisa have left? Number 14. Raul made 6.47 liters of lemonade for a party. During the party, Raul ate 5.8 liters of... We're not sure what he ate because he did not eat Raul. Anyways, I'm sure he drank 5.8 liters of lemonade. How many liters of lemonade does Raul have left? Next one. Nikki bought back to school supplies. She bought 2 spiral notebooks that cost $2.65 each, a package of pencils for 99 cents, and a box of crayons for 50 cents. What is the total amount Nikki paid for the items? Pay attention to the strip diagram on this one. Jason and Dylan bought a book. Jason paid $8.54 for his book. Dylan paid 65 cents less for his book. How much did Dylan pay for his book? Number 17, Cindy has 2 trees in her garden. The apple tree is 12.5 feet tall, and the orange tree is 8.36 feet tall. What is the difference between the height of the 2 trees? Number 18, on Monday, Tiffany ran for 4.25 miles. On Wednesday, she ran for 3.62 miles. What is the total number of miles Tiffany ran on Monday and Wednesday? Carlos made drinks for a party. He made 3.14 liters of lemonade, 6.2 liters of tea, and 5.3 liters of apple juice. How many total liters of drinks did Carlos make? And then the last one, number 20. What key words helped you solve number 19? So you need to go back and look at number 19 and tell me what key words helped you solve number 19.